Hi everyone, linking to the analysis file. This is the most important feature of the report writer. Items that are inside of the Excel sheet, inside of the working papers, can be copied and linked into the report so that as you generate the report, you can create new data that comes in there from a boilerplate perspective, and as data changes inside of your evaluation when you're working on it, those links get updated. So let's talk about how to link this up. Our templates that come with the program in the optional report writer already have a bunch of links in place. Those links go back into the analysis sheet, and typically they are on the report writer links page. The ranges, however, are not. How do I make these links? The first thing I do is I bring focus to where I want inside of the report writer. I go back to my analysis file. I select whatever schedule it is that I want. And let's choose the valuation date. I'm going to use the copy link button up here. When I press the copy link button, not a lot happens, but you can tell that it's been pasted to the clipboard. The next icon I will use will be the paste the clipboard icon. When I click on the paste the clipboard icon, that link is generated inside of my report. I can now use the edit commands to change how that's formatted. If I don't want to have, if I want this to be more of a month, day, year, I can click on it. If I press apply, it will update that single link. If I use the update all command, all of the links inside of the report will be updated. So typically the way I work my reports is that I will update all the commands until I get about, halfway, 65% of the way through my report writing process. And then as I start to double check items and I don't want them to update anymore, I will go through and update the single command by using the apply button. It takes a while to update a lot of links, but it's worth it instead of having to hard code those. There are three types of links you can make into the report writer. The first is a single cell, which I've already shown you. The second is a range of cells. So if I go to a particular schedule and I highlight a range of cells, I can bring that schedule into the report writer. So whatever I've highlighted as my range, I click on my copy link button, and then I go back into the report writer. Wherever my cursor is flashing, I press my paste button, and it will paste a picture of that schedule as the range. Now you need to understand how pictures are formatted inside of Word. Typically we want these to be formatted in line with text. If you format those so that the text is over the top of the picture, you'll get all confused as to where the picture's at. The other thing you need to know about the pictures is that you can change the aspect ratio. So if I pull this down, the picture gets smaller. If I pull this up, the picture gets bigger. Sometimes you may see your pictures going off the edge of the page. If that's the case, you have to grab the corner, make it smaller so that it fits on the page. If it still can't fit on the page, then you're going to have to create two pictures to make it work. The next kind of link is a chart link. If I go to a chart, I click on the working pane, I click on my copy link, I go back into the report writer, wherever there's focus, I press my paste, and it will paste that chart into place. This again is a picture. Now the beautiful thing about these links is that as items change, as the data changes, as my assumptions change inside of the valuation process, those get updated inside of the report by pressing the update all or updating a single command. I recommend you look at the editing the commands video and see how this box over here will help you. Thank you.